In this video, we are going to see method statement for CRAC unit installation, testing, and commissioning procedure step by step. Welcome to Inside Control System YouTube channel. CRAC stands for Computer Room Air Conditioning Unit. It is a specialized type of air conditioning system designed specifically for cooling data centers, server rooms, and other environments where maintaining precise temperature and humidity control is critical. Scope and purpose. This method statement is made to enumerate the general activities to be performed in mechanical system works for CRAC project. It covers the procedure to be implemented for handling, installation and inspection of CRAC unit installation works. This method statement explains the planned and safe execution method at a various stage of the CRAC unit installation works, in accordance with project specification and as per the latest approved drawings that are related with CRAC and unit installation works. General. All CRAC installation works materials, fittings and accessories that used for the project shall meet the standard specification as per recommendations and project specifications. Responsible personnel: site manager, construction manager, QA, QC manager and inspector, mechanical engineer and supervisor, foreman, safety manager and supervisor. Required tools, materials and equipments: standard mechanical tools, level, hacksaw blade, measuring tape, steel ruler, movable platform or ladder, electric core drill, flashlight and hand light, industrial vacuum cleaner, engine welding machine, electrical grinder, electric drill machine with drill bits, insulation tester, multimeter, inspection mirror, any others if required. Work procedure. All material handling, transportation shall be performed in a safe manner as to avoid any damage by mishandling and mechanical forces and also avoid exposure to moisture, dust, oil, and lubricant while storing of CRAC unit. Each and every delivered item shall be inspected to ensure compliance to specification data sheet and free from damages. It is the responsibility of conversion technology to transport and deliver the CRAC and CRA unit from lay down to CRAC project. The haul road leveling, compaction shall be done by civil contract and make sure that all is okay before transportation. Prior to installation of CRA and CRAC unit in the locations, concealed supervisor and QC inspector shall be inspected the site conditions for the installation of CRAC unit and verify its correct location with site conditions prior to start the works. After transporting the CRAC unit wooden box, open the wooden box. Inspect the distribution CRA and CRAC unit. All confirmed by the concerned supervisor and engineer it is okay. Pre-installation check. Make sure the area has been cleaned and enough access to install the CRA and CRAC unit. Make sure the CRA and CRAC unit identification and location as per drawing before installations the panel. Arrange air conditioner to maintain the room temperature as per specifications. Method of installation. CRA shall obtain the necessary work permits prior to start the job and ensure the adequate provision for working at height. Check and ensure that all site conditions and working practices are observed strictly and to obtain the work permit. Ensure that the level and elevation details while installing the steel support frame for CRA and CRAC unit. Ensure the CRA and CRAC units shall be provided with the circuit directory sheet that's showing list of breakers with circuit detail. Mobilize the adequate qualified manpower with required tools to the work site as per detailed schedule of activities. Install the steel support and bracket with correct dimensions on the location of CRA and CRAC unit as per the approved IFC drawings. Install the CRA and CRAC unit to its location as per the approved IFC drawings and accessories shall be mounted and installed after installation of the same. Tighten the bolts after the problem alignment of CRA and CRAC unit. Lane and brazing pipes as per the best and shortest possible routing in the building along with cable for the outdoor unit, adding insulation, K-flex, to the external pipes from indoor to outdoor wherever possible. Fixing the pipes to the ceiling, ground, walls wherever needed using steel U-channels and C-clamps. Depending on the route of the pipe, testing the pipes for leaks using high-pressure nitrogen alter closing the ends of the pipes. Installing isolators. Switch on the wall near the indoor unit and cables from the main panel to the switch, and from switch to the unit, main panel usually inside the room. Connecting water supply and water drain lines, PVC pipes, to the units. Both tabs should be available inside the room. Terminating the outdoor power supply from both sides. Vacuuming the pipes using vacuum pump to remove air and moisture from the pipes. After adding primary charge, the unit, including the compressor, can be started to complete the freon charge and balance the pressures, checking the settings of the controller and adjusting any needed value. Checking the settings of the outdoor speed controller. Taking readings of the unit and filling startup report. Inspection and test. Need to study method of statement and drawings prior to starting the job by the concerned supervisor and foreman. Work performed as per IFC drawing and relevant specification shall be monitored, witnessed and recorded by QC inspector in accordance with inspection and test plan. Ready for inspection will be issued to QC inspector 24 hours in advance to verify readiness of the test or completion of installation as per IFC drawing and standard. Relevant appropriate inspection checklist form will be filled as observed by QC inspector. Maintaining inspection record. Safety tools equipments. Proper personal protective equipments and protection devices, such as welding gloves and shields, full body harness, working gloves, face shield, toolbox with hand tools, etc., shall be inspected by the concerned supervisor and foreman prior to starting the works. Risk involvement. Ensure to explain all workers to understand safety points such as electric shock, fire, injuries in body, falling down, slips and falling load, etc. during execution of the works. Safety requirements. Check all PPE, tool, and protection devices by the supervisor and confirm to workers' realization at the time of work commencement. All personnel involved in the activities shall wear complete personal protective equipment in accordance with the safe work requirements. PPE, tools, equipment in this CRAC and CRA unit system shall be inspected prior to starting work to prevent any incident. Check adequacy and availability of all tools and equipment for an erection and installation activities. Before commencement of the erection activity, the safety officer shall verify that all of the necessary and applicable documents related to the safest operation are in possession before commencing the job. The hot work area should have proper barricading, fire extinguisher, fire blanket, etc., along with fire watcher. Housekeeping is a mandatory during and after work completion. Prohibit attending any person who is not authorized for this work. Barricade and warning signboard shall be incited at the workplace to prevent entering any unauthorized persons. Ensure an electrical earth connection for the work shall be secured by the safety officer and nearest close to the working location. Any incident occurred during the work, supervisor and safety officer shall be reported to his superior by mobile phone and official report to be accordingly. Well, I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day.